In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get VIP here in Murderers versus Sheriffs on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you need to do is open up the game itself. And once you're in like this little like main menu section or the main hub, you need to simply open up the shop just like so. So go ahead and select shop on this left-hand sidebar. And you need to go specifically to the featured section. This is always going to be in the featured section. The very first option is going to be VIP right here. And it's going to show you the benefits. You're going to get, that VIP chat tag. You're also going to get 30 plus percent on coins and plus 500 on coins as well immediately. And you'll also see how much it costs. It's only 199 Robux. Go ahead and select that. It's going to pop up with a page that looks something like this. We just have to hit buy to confirm. Now, of course, from the main hub as well, you can also just go ahead and purchase this from that section right there. But that is the full process here. That's actually all you have to go ahead and do. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it really lets us know that you want more content like this. So we would greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.